Afternoon guys, it's James from Advanced In-Car Tech. Today we've been working in this Mercedes. It's a C300 W205 is the chassis model, and this is a 2016 beautiful looking car, and we have fitted the Ghost Immobiliser system. So just to show you, I've just got in, I've stolen the keys, and I'm going to start the engine. Obviously this has got keyless, so I'm going to put my foot on the brake and I'm going to start the engine. Well, I can't start the engine. I've got my foot on the brake, it doesn't do anything. And that's because of the fact that I haven't entered the code. Now on this particular video or demonstration, we've set it to one of the many buttons that you can allow in here. We've set it to this one here, which is the recirculation button on the dash. Just ignore the dash cam in the background. So what we do is we enter our button presses. So 4 presses of there. We get our indicator on the dashboard to say, oh, okay, yep, I'm happy with that. And what you can do then is you can then start the engine. Now, this Ghost setup is slightly different to some of the other models, because some of the other models you have to enter the code, cycle the ignition, and then restart. But because this engine didn't start, it just won't allow you to start it. You can enter the code if you've made a mistake, and then go ahead and start. So I'll just turn it off. Okay, so I'm going to turn the ignition on. This has got quite a quick restart time. I'm going to press my button 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to get my indication on the dashboard. Yep, I'm happy, and then I'm going to start my engine, like so. So this is the Mercedes C300 W205 2016. If you've got a car like this and you want to protect it from keyless theft and other bits and pieces, then get in touch with us. It's www.advanced-incar.co.uk, and as usual, thanks for watching.